Hey there, I am at my in-laws' house in Florida, and I am wearing my DIY hat and my nursing cap. I was the former director of nursing at a retirement facility, so safety for seniors has always been at the back of my mind and sometimes at the forefront. So if you have a loved one that might be a fall risk, or anyone who has a darkened garage or basement access, you really want to consider motion sensing lighting. This is easy peasy project. So what I did was I ordered on Amazon, and the link will be below, this adapter. It screws right in to a standard fixture, and it has a motion sensor. And you can adjust it for how sensitive you want it and how long you let it stay on. It even comes with its own little itty bitty screwdriver, so you can make the adjustments. You get a 2-pack for less than $15, and it's a way to keep your loved one safe. So, super easy. We're gonna screw this right into our light fixture, and then we're going to take our bulb and put our bulb in. Now I can go flip the switch, and when it senses motion, it'll turn the light on. This is easy DIY that makes an impact and keeping people you love safe.